Welcome to the year when AI is taking over photo and video content creation like never before. Now, I've always believed that Adobe was slightly lagging behind in the AI race, but not anymore. Adobe just dropped an absolute bombshell with their game-changing announcement of Firefly AI Video, which is set to completely revolutionize video editing as we know it. In this video, I'll dive into the capabilities of Firefly Video and tell you 10 cool features that this tool has and reveal how much it costs and how you can get your hands on this, futuristic technology. Now, up until now, I could only request access to a text-to-image tool that is not too dissimilar from Midjourney. But just a few days ago, they have announced the next tool in the toolbox, and that is called Firefly AI Video. Firefly AI Video is Adobe's latest innovation in the world of video editing, using artificial intelligence to streamline and automate editing processes. This super powerful tool harnesses the power of machine learning to simplify and enhance the video editing workflow, making it much easier and faster than ever before. In this video, I'll be explaining all of the features that were announced until today. Feature number 1 is called Smart Scene Detection. The AI can automatically analyze your footage and identify different scenes, making it much easier to organize and edit your project in the end. This feature will help you to focus on the creative aspects of your project, which is sick. Feature number 2 is automatic color grading. With just a few clicks, the AI can analyze your footage, identify the optimal color grade, and apply it across your entire project. This will not only save you time, but also ensures that your videos have a consistent and professional look. Feature number 3. It seems like the software can finally detect individual body features and mask them out individually, so you can change the color grading and light to it, which is something that wasn't available before in Premiere. Feature number 4 is making automated transcripts and captions, which is super powerful for social media, for example. So basically whatever you say in the video, Firefly will detect, and then it will basically output the text, and then you can either caption it or change it around and so on and so forth, which is super cool. Feature number 5 is some sort of template to automate text animation and so on, which is super cool and useful, and something that editors would waste so much time on before. It seems like you can not only transcribe what you're saying in the video, but it will also analyze the script, and then it will allocate your B-roll based on the things you said, which makes things so much faster. I'm really excited for this one. Which brings us to feature number 7, and that is called auto editing. With this feature, the AI can analyze your footage and make intelligent editing decisions, such as cutting between different angles, trimming clips, and adding transitions. And that helps you to truly focus on what matters, and that is the story of your project, while Firefly will take care of the tedious technical details. Feature number 8 is some kind of AI-powered audio sync. It seems like this tool can do audio editing with its AI-powered sync feature. So it will automatically detect and sync audio from multiple sources, plus it can fetch music and sound effects automatically, which is super convenient and cool. Feature number 9 is super exciting as well. It seems like it can also import a script and then automatically create a hand-drawn storyboard based on the stuff that you wrote for the particular video. I mean, obviously it's not hand-drawn, but the computer draws it, but you get what I mean. That is so cool in order to visualize your script and plan your video. Feature number 10 are customizable AI preferences. Now, I would assume that Adobe understands that every video editor has their unique style and preferences, so I guess Firefly AI will allow you to customize the AI's behavior to better suit your editing style. You can probably fine-tune the settings to ensure that it makes the right decisions for your project. Here's a bonus feature: Adobe Creative Cloud integration. I reckon this will seamlessly integrate with the Adobe Creative Cloud ecosystem, allowing you to easily access and work with your project across various Adobe applications like Premiere Pro, After Effects, and Photoshop, which is super sick if you are already in this ecosystem. And the last bonus feature is the price. Until now, it seems that Adobe Firefly AI is going to be completely free to use. That's right, you can access and benefit from this cutting-edge technology without having to spend any money on top of your Creative Cloud subscription, which is cool. Now you might ask yourself like, hey, how can I sign up for the service? Very good question. I will leave a link below the video and then you can sign up with your Adobe account and join the waiting list. So what's my verdict? It seems like Adobe is finally catching up with things and paving the way for the future of video editing. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more powerful and efficient editing tools that will transform the industry and how we create content, which is sick. Okay, and last but not least, let's speak a few critical words. I think it is crucial to remember that you shouldn't entirely replace human involvement and then let just AI copy your homework. Firefly is a tool in the toolkit that will assist you in making your workflow more efficient and improve your project. But the human touch still plays a very, very important role in crafting truly outstanding content. In conclusion, I think this kind of technology is truly taking video editing to the next level. These features have the potential to change the way we edit and create videos. If you are as excited about Firefly AI as I am, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment below with your opinion. Do you see it as a helpful addition to the toolkit, or do you have concerns about AI taking over the creative process? Is Skynet gonna send a T-800 back in time and kill off all the video editors? I would love to hear your opinion, so let's get the conversation going. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. And with that said, I will see you guys in the next video.